Hi, welcome back to another episode of our MAPEH class. And for this video, we are going to talk about the nature and background of social dances and dance mixers. This is particularly on your Physical Education 9 Module 1 for the second quarter. I repeat, for this video, we are going to talk about the nature and background of social dances and dance mixers on your Physical Education 9 Module 1 for the second quarter. What is social dance? Social dance is a dance which is recreational and generally executed with a partner and in groups or as a community activity for fun and enjoyment. Social dances and dance mixers are dances, and sometimes it does not require a partner, but actually some people in an institution or community. It is not a performance or display driven as in formal dance agencies such as ballet, stage or folkloric show, nor it is ceremonial or ritual based, or for competition and judging of overall performance along with solo highland dance or ballroom dance medals, or in championships or dance sports for television presentation. Generally, social dance is organized within a community through volunteer leaders or to raise money for benefits rather than by professional engagement and management. Of course, a few professionals make their business from coaching social dancing, and some initial basic learning may be advantageous for a newbie or for refinement of more advanced technique. Nevertheless, the handing on from an individual to a person and generation to generation is more a community-based tradition and much of the development of social interaction in conventional dance is acquired through everyday participation with older veterans handing on to the enthusiastic young. For social dance, it is said na hindi mo ito kinakailangan na pag-aralan. But, yung technique na pwede mong mapag-aralan in formal dance schools is an advantage. However, yung skill dito sa social dance ay usually na ipapasa ito from generation to generation. By just simply watching the dancers on the floor, dancers or other person learn from the techniques on the movements on the dance floor as they watch it. So, the skills sometimes are passed from generation to generation. Social dance can derive from or be an interest within many different genres. It can be the folk dances of a particular village, performed at a local green or community center, or it can be old-time dancing performed in a barn or public hall, or even ballroom dancing, Latin American, salsa or rock and roll, or any contemporary dance that is public recreation instead of for display or commercial fee. I just would like you to know that social dance is not for competition purposes, but it is more on socialization. Many social dances are dance mixers, and the primary function is that people ought to mix and often exchange partners. The optimum purpose of social dances is that to involve organizations of people enjoying activity within sets where groups and couples regularly change places or even partners. Ito yung mga sayaw na you move from one place to another, and sometimes na pwede ka makipagpalit ng kapareha mo. You do not deal with just one partner. Some of the primary function of group dancing within sets known as country dancing are those in which couples are aligned in either long ways, circular, or columnar formation, or in squares called quadrilles. So, there is no particular formation in doing the social dance. So, pwedeng pahaba, pwedeng circular or pabilog, or pwede ring in a square formation or what we call quadrilles. Social dances are classified into two major dances, namely the Latin American dances and modern standard dances. Latin American dances are those originated in Latin America. These include salsa, mambo, merengue, swing, cha-cha-cha, rumba, paso doble, jive, and boogie. Modern standard dances are dances that fall into the standard category, and they are the waltz, tango, foxtrot, Viennese waltz, slow waltz, and the quick step. Now, in doing the social dances, we have the different benefits that we can get into it. First, it improves your social life. This will allow you to interact with new people every week, and you will meet more people each time you go out. Meeting people while dancing is an amazing way to make new friends and increase your social circle. As another bonus, social dancing can help to prevent feelings of loneliness due to the sociability of dancing with a partner. So sometimes when you do social dancing, you get to meet new friends, and then by and by, you can hang with them after that activity. So that's it. By then, it improves your social life. It also improves your social skills. It helps improve your social life by increasing your social skills and making it easier to communicate and interact with others. It is all about interacting with your partner and making connections. It can help you to beat shyness and can make it easier for you to relate to people in new social settings. So with that, when you go into social in social dancing, na-overcome mo dito yung pagiging lunar, or you get to learn on how to deal with on how to communicate with other people. And if you go into social dancing, you start making connections with your fellow social dancers. It also helps sharpen your mind. It means that you will be making split-second decisions, learning to follow the patterns of your dance partner, and adding more style and flair to your dancing. These decisions will help to keep your mind sharp and active. It also helps sharpen your mind by increasing your interaction with others and giving you more opportunities to expand your horizons. By just simply making your split-second decisions during a social dance, let's say at times that you follow the steps or the pattern of your dance partner, and that's the best way to help sharpen your mind. So, eto, magde-decide ka na, okay, ganito ang gagawin, ganito pala dapat ang step ko kasi ganito ang ginawa niya. So, ganito ang gagawin ko pag inikot niya ako dito. So by then, the skills or this activity will help sharpen your mind. It also reduces stress. Well, social dancing is an effective method of stress reduction. It works by reducing the hormone associated with stress. Dancing alone, while beneficial in other areas, it has not been proven to reduce stress. Social dancing with a partner has a positive effects on stress reduction, and research shows that moving with others expands your sense of social connectedness. A great way to lower stress levels. Well, of course, you can dance alone. You can do dancing alone at your... Research shows that dancing with partners or with other people can make you reduce your stress. Okay, the stress level or lowers the stress levels. So, eto kasi, nagkakaroon ka kasi ng connection, hindi lang naman pagsasayaw ang ginagawa mo doon, you get to communicate with others. So, yan, nagiging nalalabanan mo yung loneliness at nagiging happy ka. Okay? It provides new cultural experience. This will give you your opportunity to discover new aspects of different cultures through different dances, and you will be able to find new cultural experiences as you meet new people. Okay, especially when you learn new dances, you have to discover where this dance comes from. Saan ba nanggaling? Saan ba nag-originate itong sayaw na to? Ano ba ang history ng sayaw na to? So by that, by simply studying this dance, you get to know different cultures. Okay? Napapag-aralan mo, may nalalaman ka tungkol sa iba't ibang culture. And of course, sa mga taong namimit mo, sa mga social dancing activities na to, yung mga taong namimit mo, they got to share also their cultural beliefs, their practices. So with that, you learn new things from them. You learn new cultures from them. Okay? And it also improves your outlook. Dancers often experience a more positive outlook on life in general. And dancing can be an excellent mood booster. Additionally, dancing increases blood flow to the brain, slowing down cognitive decline. Para kasi pag sumasayaw ka, parang feeling mo super active ka. Super, ang positive lang ng pakiramdam when you do dancing. So, that's another benefit of a social dance. It also builds strength. The more time you spend dancing with your partner, the more strength you will build. Depending on the type of dance you do, you will build up strength in different areas of your body. Another fun fact, the muscle exertion and breathing rates of dancers performing in dance competition is equivalent to that of cyclists, swimmers, and Olympic 800-meter runner. Alright, so when you dance, nagagalaw mo kasi lahat dito eh. So there is a greater tendency that you build strength sa lahat ng aspeto sa katawan mo, physical strength. Okay, lalo na kapag ang pagsasayaw mo ay medyo matagalan and you got used to it. Mas matagal kang mapapagod kasi masasanay ka. Okay. So, katumbas nito daw yung cyclist, okay? Yung mga swimmers, yung mga runners. So, ganun pala kalaki ng impact ng pagsasayaw dun sa pagbibuild ng katatagan ng ating katawan. Now, to sum it up, dancing is fundamental in life. For so many years, across all cultures and nations and peoples, dancing has been vital to human life. One of the most favorite pastimes by many people is social dancing. Social dances and dance mixers are dances intended primarily purpose is to get to know other people in attendance to a certain social function. These dances are classified into two. We have the Latin American dances such as cha-cha-cha, rumba, samba, paso doble, jive, boogie, swing, merengue, salsa, and mambo, while modern standard dances such as slow waltz, tango, Viennese waltz, foxtrot, and quick steps. These dances help you to improve your social life, lead to improve your skills, sharpen your mind, reduces your stress, provide new cultural experience, improve your outlook, and build strength. Now, we have here exercises, which is a true or false activity. Write T if the statement is true and F if the statement is false on the blank provided before each number. You may write your answer in any clean sheet of paper in your table. You look at the correct answer on the description below. Number 1. Social dances and dance mixers are also known as ballroom dances. True or false? Dance mixers are dances which allow you group of performers to change partners to maximize the social dimension of dancing. True or false? Cha-cha-cha belongs to a modern standard dance. True or false? Social dancing improves your social life. True or false? Performer's costume must be revealing, tight-fitting, sexy yet sophisticated. True or false? Wearing sleeveless shirt and strap dresses is pleasant so that your partner can touch your skin. True or false? Dance etiquette is a set of guidelines that help you navigate the social dimensions of dancing. True or false? Social dancing helps sharpen your mind by increasing your interaction with others and giving you more opportunities to expand your horizon. True or false? The more time you spend dancing with your partner, the more strength you will build. True or false? Lastly, tango is a Latin American dance originated in Spain. True or false? Just check the answer on the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching. Please tap the notification bell for more video lessons in MAPEH 9, MAPEH 10, and ARALING PANLIPUNAN 9 or Economics. Thank you and have a good day. And I say, together we learn as one.